How to fix GeForce Experience unable to retrieve current settings. So if you have fixed GeForce Experience unable to retrieve current settings, then what you need to do, go with Windows and R keys together. And here you need to enter temp. After that, hit the enter. Here you will have all of these unnecessary files. So you need to press Control A, which will select all of it. And now I need to go with delete. Do this for all current items and then skip. Once you've done, go with the next step. Again, search for run. Click on it. And here you need to enter percentage, temp, percentage. And then hit the enter. And here also you will have all of the temporary files. You need to press Control A and delete all of these. Click on do this for all current items and then go with skip. And that's it. Once you've done, now you need to again go with your search and search for services this time. Once you're on your services, now you need to find the Nvidia service. Once you find your Nvidia, you need to right click on it so that you can head over to the properties section. Now from here, you can check if Nvidia is working well. If not, you can try to enable it or start the service. And once done, you can go with apply and OK, and it might fix your problem. If that doesn't, then you need to again go with your search and search for device manager. And here under display adapters, you will find your Nvidia. Once you find it, you need to right click on it. And then if it has been disabled, you need to just go and enable the device. Once you've enabled, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.